hope your week's going well. Last week you voted in your home group for the winner of the joke contest, and the winner is Mr. Terrell. Good job to all the teachers who submitted jokes.
Hey, it's Mrs. Jensen at the library here. Today I want to tell you some exciting new stuff to know about the library now that we're moving into a hybrid model. The library is open from 7:30 until 3:30. That even includes Friday. So if you want to come use the library to check out books or return them, you can come to the library on Friday for that. If you just want to return books and you don't need to use the library for anything else, we have a big red return box that's located in the quad. Or if it's not your week to be on campus in person, we still have our return box located inside the main office. Hey, how's it going?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm good. Can I get your first and last name?
Nathan Smith.
Perfect. Okay, fantastic. It looks like it's 4:05. I'll log you in. And what are you here for today?
I'd like to check out a book.
Oh, great. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this down, and let me show you how it works to check out a book. Follow me. Come on this way. So the thing to know about browsing a bookshelf, or any of the bookshelves right now, is you're always going to follow the directional arrows. So we're asking right now that there only be one student per aisle. So, for example, if I choose to walk down this pink aisle, and I want to choose a different aisle, that's fine. I just have to follow the arrows around to get to another aisle, just like at a supermarket. And what are you here for today?
I'd like to study, please.
Oh, great. Okay. Would you like to sit at a table to do that?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. It looks like table 1 is free, so I'm going to go ahead and mark you for table 1. Could you please sanitize your hands before we start here? Perfect. And I'm just going to mark my hostess seating chart for you. Perfect. Okay. Walk this way. All right, here's table 1 for you. So when you use a table at the library to study, just make sure that you flip this sign. It starts as clean, and when you get up and leave, you'll want to flip it to dirty so that we know which tables and chairs to clean. And then you are going to check out with me so I can sign you out the time that you leave, and then you're going to follow these exit arrows to the exit near the graphic novels.
The graphic novels here, and make sure to check those out with Miss Jensen. And the exit is over there.
You'll notice that our genre of the month is here. This month it is creepy books, so make sure to check some out. Next to it is the 50 books to read before graduating middle school and high school challenge, so make sure to take advantage of that. Okay, here's your computer right over here. So you're going to log into this and find the document you need to print. And then you're going to print it. It's going to go over here to our printer called Prince Charming. And then when you're all finished, you're going to make sure to log off, and you're going to come and find me and sign out so we can put a time of when you left the library, and you're going to go ahead and exit through this door.
I have Iris interviewing some teachers who did something special during quarantine. Take it away, Iris.
We're interviewing 3 8th grade teachers and asking them about how they have been doing during quarantine. Hi, Miss Jan. We heard that you've been the creator of this whole project, so we were hoping that you would elaborate more about what you guys been doing to interact with students during quarantine.
Interacting with students this year has definitely been different. We still have home group, we still have advisory and office hours, and we still have class discussions, but it all feels a little bit distant. And in some ways, it doesn't feel quite real. So I was talking with some other teachers in the 8th grade about how we can let students know we care about them, how to get them to engage maybe a little bit more, help them feel a little bit more comfortable. So we came up with the idea of driving around and visiting them at home. And so that's what we've been doing.
Thank you, Miss Jan. I'm sure that all the students are really appreciative for what you and the other teachers are doing. Next, we have Mrs. Aldana. Mrs. Aldana, I wanted to ask you how visiting your students have impacted and helped you connect more with your students?
Well, for me, I would say it's been nice to actually see my students in person and not just have to view them every single day as a face on a screen. And I'm sure it feels the same way for them. And additionally, when we've had those visits, it's been really great to ask how they're doing individually and meet their families and catch up with them, talk about their interests and other things they have going on outside of school, which you can't always do during class time with all the other students.
I think that's really amazing. I definitely relate to what you're saying because some people might feel more closed off during this time, and having someone to talk to and just seeing people is really relieving. Thank you. That's all we have for now.
Have a good day, Kings.